Guys, good morning. We have the S21 Ultra 5G. This is the black color, and wow, look at the box. Okay, I'm going to unbox it now. Here I go. Wow. It says name of commodity, contents, ejection pin, manual. Where is the color mentioned? Okay, it's called the Phantom Black. This is a 12 to 56 GB variant. Wow, here I go. Guys, look at this. My God, my God. This is absolutely a killer. The surface is so smooth. My God, and here, oh, there's a camera. Here it goes. Wow. I have never seen a sex thing than this. This is actually a beast. My God, my God. I am really in awe. Thank you guys. Now let us put it on. Here we put it on now. It's all the matte finish. The texture feels very good in the hand, and check out the camera lenses.